My instruction is, anywhere he goes, fully secured siya by policemen from Pangasinan PPO. That's my instruction.
Even if he wants to go home.
Even if he wants to go home, kasi siya naman, voluntaryo siya, nagsabi na, sir, gusto ko rin masecure ako, hihingi ako ng protection galing sa inyo. So, voluntaryo siya nagkakuha din. 24 hours, papatay yan.
Oo.
Hindi natin iiwan yan.
Hanggang kailan?
Hanggang most likely Tuesday.
Hanggang Tuesday lang?
Tuesday, kasi sabi niya, by Tuesday, magpapa-custody na siya sa Witness Protection Program ng DOJ.